Hello everyone, welcome to Beatrail, my YouTube channel. Dear friends, thank you so much for joining me here. I am back with my Hot Wheels showcase. This is our pack for view and unboxing. This pretty car is 69 Dodge Charger 500 from HW Flames. 8 of the 10 from the series. This pretty car is a track star. The vehicle number 189 out of 250. Dear friends, our Flame Beauty is here on the turntable. A big classic car, I love this car. Muscle car 5-spoke wheels with super chrome. Spectre flame red. The flame scheme is looking cool with the white and golden. Dodge logo is also on the trunk. Tinted yellow windows, black interior, great details at the bumpers. This pretty car was first time came in 2004 and designed by Riehlman. You guys can check. Everything is looking awesome in this beauty. Detailed interior, great details of the headlights and tail lights. Nice finishing of the sides, especially the chrome job, doors and the rear side with the Hot Wheels logo. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give a big like to the video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.